Well, hello everyone. It's Anita White with Love Your Art, and we are so excited to be back with you. Thank you so much for joining me, and we are looking so forward to getting going, but we want to say, first of all, a real special shout out to you. If you are a new subscriber, thank you, thank you, thank you for joining us. We're happy to have you along our amazing art journey. We're getting ready to have some fun, and as you know, we like to jump right on in. We have a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and I've already gone ahead and laid out our base color, which is the Blickrylic Mars Black. As you know, we want to pop air bubbles and look for any foreign debris because we have to provide our foundation for our colors to be as flawless as possible. We want to make sure we look for anything that should not be on the canvas. And we really want to make sure that these colors have a chance to be successful. So that's what we're doing. Well, we have some blues and some whites and some, I think this is a aqua green and silver. Let's get going introducing our colors. We have an Amsterdam turquoise blue. We have an Artist Loft metallic blue. We have the Blickrylic titanium white. We have the Amsterdam Phthalo blue. And we have the Amsterdam turquoise green and the Liquitex Basics silver argent. And we're going to use those colors today to try and give ourselves an amazing design. All right, let's go. Let's try and do something like so. And perhaps like, let's see, do we want to go? How about, let's do it this way. Yeah. That's like that. All right. This is the metallic blue. And once again, all of our colors are mixed with 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, stir it together, adding water where necessary. Not all paints are created equal, so we have to make certain that we give them only the water that they require. All the colors, of course, are listed in the description box below. So if you happen to miss any of them, you can always refer back to what we have listed there. Okay? Really pretty colors here. And I think I am going to wrap back around, and this time, let's do it with how about our Phthalo blue? Okay. You are going to torch, layering colors. And we are going to move our little friends aside so we can get the best possible opportunity for movement here without blowing paint everywhere. I think I'll start in this corner here, see if I can blow up into that area. Amazing. I love it. Wow. Woo. So pretty. I'm I'm just touching where little specks of paint blew over there. I do see a couple of air bubbles over here. Oh, I love this. Just so pretty. Unbelievably pretty. Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have a little popsicle stick here. We go around, and remember we have to do this to capture excess paint, keep it from running the design off. Here we are, everyone. We have our close-up right in front of us, right here. As you can see, really very pretty. What we have here is beautiful cells and lacing. A lot of nice, rich color merging together. The blues with the turquoise green and the regular turquoise. Just amazing. I'm loving how the black has just really made these colors pop. And you can see the cells on that, how that just really took off. And the lacing, all that iridescent shine is coming through as well. So rich and so pretty. Again, this is a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and I think this particular combination of colors have just come together really well, and they're speaking loud and clear, announcing themselves. As you can see the silver, you can see the blues, metallic blues, the phthalo blue, along with that turquoise, all of them just very visible. Again, let me know what you think. This is the 10 by 20 inch canvas, and we are loving it. Well, guess what, guys? We're back because we had extra paint, and we're just going to go ahead and continue to play. Once again, we are having a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and we're going to use the exact same colors we just used in the exact same order and play a little bit more. So here we go. I think we did something like this and over like that for our design. I've already popped the air bubbles and laid down the foundation paint, which we have here as the Mars Black by Blickrylic. And all of the colors that we are using, of course, they're available in the description box below. So do feel free to refer to that. We're just gonna play some more. It's always good to have extra paint and find ways to pour it out on a canvas and see what happens. And we did wrap back around with this one, the Phthalo blue, which is by Amsterdam. So we're going to blow into the negative space and come out here. We're going to try to do something similar nature that we did before. No two paintings will be exactly alike, but we'll see what we can do to have fun. Okay, guys, let's see. Let's see if we can't blow into the negative space here. Yes, indeed. That is so pretty. Again, we have some air bubbles. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure. I like this one more than the first one. I'm not sure. But I can tell you what, they're both quite beautiful. Quite beautiful. Oh my heavens. All right. Going to give you a chance to check it out, look it around, look at it, check it all around. We're going to wipe our drips off, and we'll come back and do this again, and we will see what this is going to look so beautiful with a coat of resin. Oh my heavens, I love it. Okay, we are going to bring you in for a close-up and let you take a look. Well, here we are, guys. We have our close-up. Look at this. This is our part 2, if you will, or our second piece. This is so pretty. Once again, these colors have come together and made for a beautiful composition. You can see it there. Oh, it is simply stunning. And look at all of the lacing that you can see here, giving us a nice flow of design. And this is so pretty. All of the shimmer and shine on top, those cells are just unbelievable. So there you have it, guys. Our second 10 by 20. Let me know what you think in the comments. And until next time, keep loving your art, and we will see you all on our next video upload. Thanks so much for joining me today. We'll see you again. Bye.